As the demand for precise electrical diagnostics continues to expand across automotive, residential, and tech hobbies, reliable multimeters have become essential. This diagnostic precision also heavily appeals to meticulous makers, including custom mechanical keyboard enthusiasts and electronics tinkerers. This guide evaluates leading multimeters based on rotary switch responsiveness, build quality and safety ratings, display layout ergonomics, and overall value.
Product number 1. Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. The Fluke 117 is an industry-standard, compact true RMS digital multimeter, engineered specifically for demanding commercial and professional electrical applications. Featuring an intuitive central rotary switch and automatic AC/DC voltage selection, it speeds up diagnostic testing significantly. The robust build includes integrated VoltAlert non-contact voltage detection and a low-impedance LOZ mode that prevents false readings caused by ghost voltages. Equipped with a bright white LED backlight for dark panels, a 6,000-count digital display with a fast analog bar graph, and a Cat3 600V safety rating, the Fluke 117 delivers elite reliability and long-term professional value.
Product number 2. AstroAI Digital Multimeter. True RMS 6000 counts. The AstroAI 6000 counts True RMS Multimeter is a versatile, auto-ranging diagnostic tool designed for home electrical troubleshooting and automotive applications. Housed in a durable protective silicone sleeve with an integrated kickstand and magnetic hanging strap, it offers exceptional hands-free convenience on the workbench. The layout features a clear rotary dial backed by functional push buttons for data hold, relative measurements, and manual range toggling. It accurately measures AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, continuity, capacitance, frequency, and temperature. Supported by dual ceramic overload fuses and smart input protection, it provides high-end performance at an accessible price point. AstroAI UK +1.
Product number 3. Crenova MS8233D Multimeter, 6,000 counts. The Crenova MS8233D is a feature-packed 6,000-count digital multimeter tailored for hobbyists, students, and DIY homeowners looking for reliable, everyday circuit testing. It features non-contact voltage (NCV) detection and live wire detection to safely identify active lines before direct contact. The front panel incorporates an easy-to-read layout with a large backlit LCD screen, a data hold function, and a clear rotary range selector. Built with overload protection across all ranges and housed in a shock-absorbing protective casing, it handles basic voltage, current, resistance, diode testing, and duty cycle frequency measurements with dependable accuracy.
Product number 4. Kaiweets HT118E Digital Multimeter, 20,000 counts. The Kaiweets HT118E is a high-resolution, professional-grade true RMS multimeter boasting an impressive 20,000-count display for ultra-precise diagnostics. It features a stunning, large color screen with an analog bar graph and ambient light detection, making it exceptionally easy to read in any lighting condition. The smart layout includes clear input jacks with LED indicator lights that guide probe placement based on the selected rotary mode. Designed with full-range overload protection, non-contact voltage detection, and capability for measuring capacitance, temperature, diodes, and microamps, the HT118E punches well above its weight class.
Product number 5. AstroAI Multimeter Tester 10,000 counts TRMS Color LCD Screen. Stepping up precision and visual clarity, the AstroAI 10,000 counts TRMS multimeter features a vibrant, high-contrast color LCD screen designed for rapid data interpretation. It offers auto-ranging capability alongside manual override options, ensuring fast and accurate readings for voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and temperature. The ergonomic body is wrapped in a thick, shock-resistant rubber casing with built-in LED storage slots and a sturdy kickstand. Complete with dual ceramic fuses, low battery indication, and fast sampling rates, this advanced meter delivers stellar engineering for demanding garage and bench electronics tasks.
Product number 6. Kaiweets Digital Multimeter with case, anti-burn dual fuses. The Kaiweets Digital Multimeter is built with safety and durability at the forefront, incorporating high-performance ceramic dual fuses to prevent accidental overloads and burnouts.
It features a user-friendly layout with a responsive rotary dial, a large backlit screen, and a data hold button for freezing transient measurements. Capable of testing household outlets, automotive batteries, continuity, and diodes, it adapts seamlessly to general household repairs and automotive troubleshooting. Packaged with a rugged protective carrying case, insulated test leads, and a kickstand, it provides an exceptionally secure and reliable kit for everyday users.
Choosing the best digital multimeter depends heavily on your diagnostic environment. Whether you require the rugged commercial-grade precision of the Fluke 117, the high-resolution color screen of the Kaiweets HT118E, or the budget-friendly versatility of an AstroAI model, match your electrical testing needs with the appropriate safety category and feature set. Check the links below for current availability and work with confidence.